clean-ish.
I added Tampico to mine because it tasted dry and chocolatey, and I don't like chocolate or dryness. So it tastes like Tampico. It tastes like a smoothie Tampico.
I like how you just sat down. You sat down all fancy-like, and then me and Adrian probably have like our legs open.
I'm gonna send this recipe to Starbucks.
And my legs are wide open.
What does this look like? It looks like throw up, but it tastes really good. You should try this at home. Just get ice cream and coffee and chocolate milk mix and milk and Apple Jacks and get this concentration of throw up and eat it or drink it. It tastes really good, doesn't it? Doesn't it? You look so white. Oh, on here you look tan, but right in like when I'm looking at you, you look so white.
I like the music on this song. It's like weird. And there's another song by Britney Spears that has this weird like. Have you ever had those lips that you blow on them and they make this weird like whistling noise?
Yeah.
They have that at the end of it. I think it's Hold It Against Me. I don't know.
I want to make a cupcake smoothie now.
You guys like electro music, huh?
Me?
The EDT is next week.
So what?
EDT is next week in Las Vegas. It's a concert that's held once a year. Probably an electronic.
Why are you telling us this when we can't even go?
Probably electronic Daisy Carnival. Where it's just bands like that, like playing that. I think they might.
That's Madonna, you know.
I think Daft Punk actually goes there too.
I like my nails. Peace. Oh my god. Why does it keep going blurry?
And right now you see his hair is on flat.
I'm gonna stop this really quick.